Hello friends, welcome to Success Seeker. Friends, as you all might have seen that I am trying to finish most relevant topics of polity which will be very important for the upcoming examinations, and if time permits I will try to complete all the topics of polity and Laxmikant. So be with me by subscribing, liking and clicking on the bell icon to get notified of all my videos. As I am working professional, this is actually a personal views or personal clarification of myself, as I am working professional and in a busy sector I am working, that is in banking sector. So sometimes it has been little late to upload videos, as you all know that it takes much time for preparing PowerPoint, teaching and editing, and finally uploading the videos by selecting some time. So be with me with patience. I hope I will not let you all down. The other videos links are given in description below. Kindly watch it again and again to clear all your concepts. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Today we'll see the Prime Minister of India. As you all know that Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of the biggest democracy of the world. First of all, as today is 15th August and today I am making the video. Today is Independence Day and 75th year of independence. So for all of you, happy Independence Day. Now let's start with Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the real executive and he is the authority or de facto executive. He is the head of the government and council of minister. According to Article 75 of the Indian Constitution, Prime Minister shall be appointed by the President. President appoints the Prime Minister, but he or she appoints only the leader of the majority party in the Lok Sabha and is appointed as Prime Minister by President, or the leader of the majority party is appointed as the Prime Minister. President cannot alone use his discretion to appoint Prime Minister. He can use only his discretion only when no party got clear majority. That is in the case of hung assembly. Next, Prime Minister is usually leader of the largest party of coalition in the Lok Sabha. When the majority party does not wins. For example, if you take Charan Singh was appointed as Prime Minister by Sanjeeva Reddy, the president in 1979 due to fall of Morarji Desai Janata parties. During the time, Charan Singh was appointed as the Prime Minister by Sanjeeva Reddy, as there was no option and the largest party or coalition was with Charan Singh, but has to establish vote of confidence within 1 month to continue as a Prime Minister. On sudden death of Prime Minister, and if no successor is remaining, President can use his judgment for appointing Prime Minister. On Indira Gandhi assassination case in 1994, Rajiv Gandhi was appointed as the PM by President Jail Singh. So you have to remember as an example of this, on sudden death, if PM has no successor. In 1977, Supreme Court also made a judgment that non-member of either House of Parliament can become a Prime Minister for maximum 6 months. Next, also you have to remember that Prime Minister can be a member of either house, that is in case of Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, he can be a member of any house to sworn in as the Prime Minister of India. Oath is given by President of India, and the term of Prime Minister is usually in the Constitution, it is under the pleasure of President. That is, it until holds the majority of Lok Sabha is there. So what is the salary and allowances? It is determined by the Parliament, same as the member of Parliament. that is approximately around 2,80,000 per month, and other allowances are there, you know that securities allowances are there. Next is power and functions. What is the power and functions of PM? He or he recommends prime minister to the president. He allocates and reshuffles portfolios, that is, who will be the minister of which department, that he has the discretion to allocate that. Prime minister asks minister to resign or advise president to dismiss. He can advise president for dismissal also. So he has most power in our Indian constitution, maximum power. Prime minister collapses council of minister by resigning. If he resigns, then the council of minister automatically gets collapsed. By resigning or death, the council of minister automatically dissolves. He is the principal channel of communication between council of minister and president. He acts as a link between these two. Next, he recommends president for dissolution of Lok Sabha at any time. If he thinks that he does not have a majority, he can do that. Prime Minister acts as the chairman of Niti Aayog, National Development Council, National Integration Council, Indian State Council, and National Water Resource Council. He is the head of Nuclear Command Authority, RAW, Research and Analytics Wing, DOPT, that is Department of Personnel Training, Department of Space, Department of Atomic Energy, and National Security Advisor works under him. You have to remember that. So these were the functions and powers of Prime Minister. Prime Minister is a very powerful post in our country. He can be compared as President of USA in terms of power. This was also commented by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Lord Morley also commented that PM is the primus inter pares, or first among the equals. This is very important. It may appear in some competitive examinations. So these were the details of Prime Minister. Hope you have liked the video, and if you have gained some benefit out of it. So if you have liked the video, kindly subscribe my channel and share it and watch again and again to make your concept clear. Thank you.